Hi kids! Today we have a fun train puzzle to solve. Oh no! Where did my puzzle go? Look, I found all the pieces in this truck. Let's fix the puzzle together. This is buffer. Train wheels. This semicircle is train face. This red rectangle is engine of the train. This is train roof. This is another wheel. This is a compartment with window. This is chimney. Now the letter T. I. And yeah, it's a colorful train. Please like and subscribe to my channel.
A.
A is for apple.
B.
B is for balloon.
C.
C is for cake.
D.
D is for drum.
E.
E is for envelope.
F.
F is for fan.
G.
G is for grass.
H.
H is for hat.
I.
I is for ice cream.
J.
J is for jellyfish.
K.
K is for knife.
L.
L is for light.
M.
M is for music.
N.
N is for nuts.
O.
O is for orange.
P.
P is for pencil.
Q.
Q is for queen.
R.
R is for ring.
S.
S is for sunflower.
T.
T is for tie.
U.
U is for umbrella.
V.
V is for vase.
W.
W is for window.
X.
X is for xylophone.
Y.
Y is for yo-yo.
Z.
Z is for zucchini. Subscribe to my channel to watch more educational videos and nursery rhymes.